Do you stay up late at night with bad shop drawings? Do you want to improve quality on the field, detailed MEP drawings, photojournals? This is possible thanks to the Onsite Quality Control Service. Our teams work safely and efficiently to complete each job to the highest standards while adapting to changing conditions. VEC evaluates each job individually to offer the best technology solutions for our clients. Using our knowledge and skills, we can analyze and communicate valuable information in an effective way. VEC is committed to improving customer service by improving communication, data analysis, visualization, and providing comprehensive reporting. Now we want to show examples of the use of 3D laser scanning, used during coordination to identify deviations between the existing conditions model and true existing conditions in the field, allowing for more accurate coordination. Used during construction to identify potential risk and provide potential solutions. Used the point cloud to identify flutes of metal decking for validation and adjustment of rod locations. Performed enhanced model-based layout to ensure accurate location of rods for installation. Used to capture buried and concealed electrical elements within concrete slabs. Used to identify deviations from the model and information necessary to installation. Book a call on our website to talk about your project.